Can I ask you a question? How are you now?
Last time I checked, I had some cancer in my lungs, my spine, and my liver.
Wow.
So you're not okay?
Well, not in every way, no. I changed my name thinking that it would change my mind. I blow through yellow lights and don't look back at all. I don't look back at all, looting all mine. Now I can't hide. Said I knew what I wanted, but I guess I lied. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. If you're lost, we're all a little lost, and it's alright. It's okay, it's...
You know, when you feel it, when it moves you.
She's still so strong.